Mark, you're already up. I came to ask you what you want for breakfast today, honey.
Morning, Mom. Yeah, that's okay. You can choose whatever you like for breakfast.
Are you sure? You know what? I'm going to make some delicious pancakes. You love them.
Sure, pancake are fine. Thank you, Mom. I'm getting dressed now. I have to go to school.
Mark, are you okay? You look a little worried or maybe sad. What happened, son?
Mom, I have to ask you something. Are you and Dad getting divorced?
What? No, of course not. Your dad and I aren't getting divorced. We haven't talked about that.
Are you sure? Because I heard you arguing last night. You sounded really pissed.
No. Of course not. We were just talking about some things and we didn't agree, but that's it.
So, you promise you're not getting divorced? Because you've been arguing much lately.
No, we're fine. Mom and Dad are fine. Do not worry about that. Okay. We're happy.
I'm happy to hear that. I wouldn't like you end up like Roberto's parents. They got divorced last year.
Yeah, I heard about that. That's so sad. But that's not gonna happen to us. I promise.
And you can't break a promise, you know that. Dad and you taught me not to do it. Never.
Ha ha ha. Certainly, we did that. Don't worry, okay? I love you so much.
I love you too, Mom. Now you were telling me something about chocolate pancakes.
I didn't say chocolate, but okay, I know you love them. So, I'm preparing them right now. Okay, I'll wait for you.
Sure, I'm just gonna wash my face, and they will be ready for school. I'm be there in a second.
Alright, do not take too long. You know your dad also loves chocolate pancakes.
Oh, yes. No, no, no. I will hurry up, and I'll go to the table now.
Ha ha ha. Okay, son, love you. Could that be true? Are we arguing too much these days? Maybe, but it's not a big deal. I mean, we've had some differences, but nothing to worry about, right? Although, if Mark could notice that, maybe it is the big deal. I need to talk to Michael. This is not good.
Oh, Riza, here you are. Have you seen my white tie? I've been looking for this and nothing.
Michael, I think we need to talk. It's about Mark. He says we're arguing too much these days.
Seriously. I can't find my tie. I need to use it today. I have an important meeting in the afternoon.
Did you hear what I've just said? We need to talk about our son, Mark.
I heard you, Riza, but he's gonna be fine. He needs to grow up. Now about my tie.
Michael, I'm really worried about him. He said he's been listening to us arguing.
But couples always argue. I mean, we don't fight. We just discuss about some things and that's it.
I thought so, but he asked me if we were getting divorced. Because of that fight.
He's gonna be fine. He will understand very soon. Now, where's my tie? Riza?
He looked so sad. His eyes. I think he was crying, Michael. We need to talk to him.
Oh, my God. This is all your fault. You always spoil him and he's not a baby.
I don't spoil him. He is my son and I have to take care of him. I just love him so much.
It's not the first time you do something like this. You always do whatever he asks you to do.
Oh, seriously? I wonder why. Why, Michael? Why do I do all those things?
Because you're weak. He knows he can easily manipulate you whenever he wants.
At least I'm here when he needs me. You're never at home, and when you are, you never talk to him.
What the hell are you talking about? I talk to him every day when I come back from work.
Oh, come on, Michael. Saying, "Hey buddy," and then go to watch TV is not talking to him.
You know I work all day and I come home really exhausted. I can't be here talking all night.
I'm not asking you to talk the whole night. Just ask him how he feels and if he has any problem.
I am his father. I would know if he had any problem. Don't tell me I don't worry about him.
Oh, now you're his dad. And where were you when he lost that important soccer game, huh?
You perfectly know I was working hard to bring money to this home, so you both can eat.
Just for the record, and maybe you forgot it, I also have to work here at home. I work hard too.
Oh, you're talking about that little business you have. That money isn't enough to pay for anything.
I just started that business and it's going well. With the time, it can give us more money.
Yes, with the time. Of course. But meanwhile, I do have to work 10 hours a day.
I also work in not only 10 hours. I work all day here in the house and it is not easy.
Oh, here we go again. I've already told you that if I had more time, I would help you. Riza.
Oh, seriously? And what about the weekends? You have a lot of time there. But no, you prefer going to play pool with your friends, right? Instead of being here with your son.
I need to relax. I always have problems at work, and when I come here, more problems.
Oh, maybe this is because you... Wait. I heard something.
You're just pretending to hear something, so you don't talk to me, right? Oh, Mark.
I knew it. You're getting divorced. This family. We won't be together, right?
Mark, no. We're just talking. Everything is okay, honey. Right. Michael?
Yeah, Mark. Everything's fine. Your mom and I are just discussing about some things. That's it.
You are lying to me. You're always fighting. You want to destroy this family.
Michael, please. Open the door. Let us in or get out of the bathroom. We're not getting divorced.
No, I'm not getting out of here, not until you stop fighting and start solving your problems.
What are you talking about? We're not fighting. We're just discussing some things.
I'm not a baby anymore, Dad. I understand what is happening here. I totally get it. Same happened to Roberto's parents. They started arguing and then they got divorced. If you want me to get out of here, you have to promise me some things. Okay?
Okay, honey. Just tell us what you want and we'll do it. Okay. What is it?
Okay, listen carefully. You will stop fighting. Here, right now. Promise you won't do that again.
Okay, Mark. We promise we'll stop fighting. You're right. This is not good for the family.
Okay, and also you will go to a therapist. To a professional. To fix your problems.
Therapist? I don't think that's necessary, Mark. We're fine.
No, you're not. You need professional help. Roberto's parents didn't want it. And you know what happened. So, you have to promise you will seek help.
Fine, we'll do it. We'll find a therapist. I promise, sweetie. We really need it.
Okay, and now, if you still love each other, you have to say it. Every single day staring now.
Of course, I love you, Father. I love you so much, Michael. I'm really sorry for everything.
You don't have to be sorry. It was all my fault. You're right. I'm never at home and that's not good.
But it's because you work hard. I'm always complaining about you. That's not fair either.
It doesn't matter. I promise I will change. I love you, Riza. You're the love of my life.
I love you too, Michael. I always loved you, love you, and I will love you for the rest of my life. Honey, we're really sorry. Now, come here. Please. Let's have breakfast together, okay?
Mom, Dad, I'm sorry for doing that. I just didn't want to lose my family. Like Roberto.
Son, you don't need to apologize. We have to thank you instead. We needed this, right, Riza?
That's right. We really needed something like this. Thank you so much, honey.
I love you so much. I'm happy to have you as my parents. Let's say together, please.